If you've spent any amount of time listening to English, watching movies, or conducting conversations, you know how important pronunciation is. You might have a basic grasp of words, but unless you can produce them in conversation, your speaking skills are not up to the mark. Here are certain tips that can help you improve your English pronunciation faster. Break down big words into individual syllables. Every English word is made up of individual syllables, or pronunciation units which carry a vowel sound and may also include a consonant sound. To refresh your memory, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and all the others are consonants. Let's say we are dealing with a big word, such as incomprehensible. We can break it down into individual syllables as such: in, com, pr, hen, se, bull. If we are able to pronounce every syllable correctly and put them together, we now can pronounce the word incomprehensible properly. Similarly, practice your pronunciation by breaking big words down into their individual syllables. Learn when to stress or emphasize in a word or a sentence. There is a huge difference between "where is my pen" or "where is my pen." Every time, whenever you use emphasis, that part of the sentence or word stands out to the listener. Use this correctly to make a bigger impact. Listen to English audiobooks and talk to an English learning partner. Listening to audiobooks can be very useful because when you listen to it, you are listening to various people talking about various topics. They also use different accents and dialects. This allows you to listen to a broader spectrum of the sounds available in the English language. Lastly, it is very important to record yourself while speaking. It can also benefit you to look in a mirror while practicing. If you record your sound, you will be able to identify your biggest challenges and the things that need to be worked on the most. Looking at yourself in the mirror will also give you an idea of your body language when you are talking. All of these together will help you improve your pronunciation skills.